In Workshop 1, we discussed the fundamentals of what makes an effective company and industry analysis. We started with the importance of positioning. An effective positioning strategy can help a company distinguish itself from its competitors to establish a competitive advantage. Alongside effective positioning, a company should also be able to identify its target customers by asking the following questions. Who is facing the problem? What does your customer want or need? And will your solution be valued by the target customer? To help you clarify what problem your customers may face, you can construct a problem statement with 3 main elements. Building a problem statement is simple. It first starts off with an action, then identifying who your target audience is and what goal you're trying to help them accomplish. For example, a company may ask, how might we help students get more sleep? Lastly, you can use the customer persona to help you pinpoint your ideal customer's motivations and pain points. Remember, a company cannot be successful unless it meets a customer's wants or needs. And that's a brief summary of our introduction into a company and industry analysis. See you next time!